Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about domain name system, which is the primary things that we do at NERA while I was there as a technical staff. So it's a business of domain name. Domain name in summary is a system that translates human readable word to IP addresses. For the internet, there are two major components that control the internet, and that is the IP address and domain name. Of which, if any of this is down, there will be a lot of issues on the internet. A lot of people will find it difficult to navigate the internet. Why? Because domain name has helped to simplify the usage of internet by translating the IP addresses to word. By translating the word, let's use it that way, the normal word that we use, like normal letter word, like go, come, doing, all those kind of word to IP addresses. Why? Because devices on the internet only understand the language of numbers, IP addresses, that is referred to as IP addresses. You know, when we talk about networking, connecting one device to another, the only way that those connections are possible on the internet behind the scene is via the IP addresses. In other words, they now discover that as human, we are not that too good with IP addresses. We are better off using word. Like, you have your phone now, you store people's number. As we store number on our phone, you store people's name on it. If I should post a question now that you should ask, or you should tell me, or you should list to us the phone number of at least 10 people on your phone number, you discover that it's a bit difficult compared to you trying to call the names of even 50 on your phone that you have saved. So they discovered that we as human, we are not that too good with IP addresses. We are better off with words. That's why some IT guys in those years, somebody like Paul and the rest of it, those father of internet, they came up with the idea of domain name. But before even domain name, things like that has been in existence, where we have there's a file on every system even to date that is called txt, where they match the IP with the name. But then it was so difficult because it was always manually done every day, where people will send their names to these guys and they will do the necessary updates. But these days it's better off because we now use a IP address. We now use a system that automatically match those IP addresses to the names. So I'm going to be showing us the component of the domain name. Let's go.